The wood stork, a large wading bird native to the southeastern United States, particularly Florida, is known for its striking appearance, featuring white plumage, black-edged wings, and a long, downward curved bill. One of the most distinctive features of adult wood storks is their bare head and upper neck, which are covered in gray, rough, scaly skin instead of feathers. Wood storks primarily inhabit wetlands, marshes, and swamps, where they feed on fish, frogs, and crustaceans. They employ a method called tactile feeding, wading through shallow waters with their bills partially submerged, relying on touch to locate prey. This technique is especially effective in murky waters where visibility is low. Typically, wood storks breed from April to October, often nesting in large colonies alongside other wading birds like herons and egrets, which provide safety in numbers. They construct large stick nests in trees near water sources, and both parents participate in incubating the eggs and caring for the chicks. The young storks fledge after about 8 to 10 weeks, and their survival is closely tied to the availability of food, making healthy wetlands essential for their development. Wood storks can live for over 15 years in the wild, with some individuals known to reach up to 20 years. Once classified as endangered due to habitat loss and degradation, conservation efforts have stabilized their populations. However, they still face ongoing threats from habitat destruction and pollution. Wood storks play a crucial role in maintaining the health of their ecosystems and are considered a symbol of Florida's natural heritage. Their presence highlights the importance of preserving wetland habitats for a diverse range of wildlife.